Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the SHARGE Disk Pro. Now you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one starts at $269. Now this right here is a game changer. This product right here has changed the game for me. And I'm going to show you why in a minute. First, let's take it over to the website. Alright, so you can pick this up from sharge.com. This is the SHARGE Disk Pro, 5-in-1, 10 gigabyte speed, up to 4 terabytes with active cooling. And again, it starts at $269. Let's go through the features. Now this is the world's first actively cooled hub with built-in NVMe PSSD. Now you got 150 grams, 5.3 ounce pocket carry with magnetic snap. Up to 10 gigabytes high-speed data transfer, built-in NVMe PSSD up to 4 terabytes. 5-in-1 multi-port hub for everyday expansion, integrated USB Type-C cable for instant plug-and-play, sleek transparent design, built for every device. Now look how beautiful this looks. Y'all know Sharge products, they always got that transparent design. I love it. All right, so let's look at some more of the features. Okay, so you got adjustable cooling fan, auto mode and turbo mode, 5 ports, 100 watt input, 80 watt output. Built-in USB Type-C cable. You got HDMI 2.1, okay, 4K 144 hertz, 8K 30 hertz. Magnetic attachment, that means it's MagSafe. Portable size, 1,000 megabytes per second, up to 4 terabytes. Okay, pocket size, built to be seen. Now check this out. It's going to keep your SSD to 49 degrees. All right, Celsius. That's pretty cool. No overheating, no throttling. Now you got dual mode intelligent cooling. Okay, you got auto mode and turbo mode. I'm going to show you how that works. One device less to carry. Okay? Now check this out. That's 200 4K movies, 400,000 photos, up to 50 games for your PC and your Steam Deck, 200,000 songs, and 170 minutes of filming 6K. That means if you film 1080p, this is going to last you forever. Move files in seconds, okay? One PC game, less than a minute. 100 SLR videos, 45 seconds, okay? 100 JPGs, 5 seconds. 10 HD movies, 1 minute. This is crazy, okay? No external power needed. Okay, it's going to use the power from your device. You got a data protection control switch. You can turn your PSSD on and off. There's a button for your fan, okay? Ultimate device supports up to 1,000 devices. And you got an installation guide, okay? So quickly set up your mobile network center. Enjoy gaming on a larger screen, okay? Turn your Steam Deck into a portable PC. Make your laptop more versatile. The perfect creative workstation. All right? And you can also charge all your devices at the same time. All of this for $260. Let's check this out. All right, so here we go. Let's unbox it. This is the SHARGE Disk Pro. Now, this is the 2 terabyte version. Here's what you get in the box. Okay, now look how small this is. Look how beautiful this looks. Okay, now let me peel that plastic off. Look at that. Transparent design. Beautiful. Let's see what else you get. Now you're going to get, check this out. Let's go ahead and open this up. You get some extra magnets, and I'm going to show you why these are important. Save those. Okay. You get a little leather pouch with SHARGE branded on it. Easy to transport. And of course, got your usual books and shit, plug them and follow them. All right, now that's pretty much it. Now I know what you're saying. You never even used this yet. How did it change the game for you? Well, check this out. This is actually my second version, okay? I like this one so much, I had to get another one. And I'm gonna show you why this is so dope. First, let's look around the actual device. As you can see, this is gonna be your turbo cooling fan right here. Built-in USB Type-C cable, okay? Now this is in and out, okay? USB Type-C. You got a full size, let me show you correctly. Full size HDMI and 2 USB A's. So this is a hub right here and a portable SSD. How sick is that? Now watch this. All right, check this out. Now, I go to dinner every week with my daughter, and she loves to take photos. Now, she don't want to take one photo. She want to take 100 photos every time we go out. So look, I get a few photos of myself, and this is all of Maya right here. She needs a good 50 to 100 photos to make a decision. Now, we going out every week. After a couple of months, my phone storage is full. Watch this. Now, all I got to do is, at the end of the night, we're going to hit select. Say I want to send her all of these photos right here. We'll do a bunch of them. Now, this is a real photo shoot. Okay, I didn't do this just for the video. These are all of Maya's real photos that she makes me take. Okay, look at this. This is a lot of photos. Bang, like that, right? And then I'll hit copy. Now watch this. We'll grab the Disk Pro. We're going to plug this in. Just like that. Turn it on. Turn on the high-speed cooling fan. Why not? Keep everything nice and cool. Disk Pro popped up. Okay. Now just scroll down to all of my photos that I already did. And then we'll hit paste. And look at that. In real time, y'all. All of the photos adding right to my phone. Bang, just like that. Now, all of the photos from the phone right to the Disk Pro. Then when I'm done, all we got to do is turn this off, unplug it, and as you can see, the Disk Pro disappeared. Now, say I want to send those photos right to my Galaxy phone. We're going to plug it back in, turn it back on, okay? And look at this. All of the photos right here are now on my Galaxy phone. These are actually all of the photos right here. There it is. All on my Galaxy phone, just like that. How dope is that? Turn this back off. Okay. Unplug it. And right back in my pocket. 1 terabyte of storage on this one. 2 terabytes on this one. That is unlimited photos and videos. And it's not just for photos and videos. Check this out. Now, the Disk Pro is also MagSafe compatible. So what does that mean? Slaps right on the back of your iPhone or your Galaxy with a MagSafe case or any MagSafe device you have with extra strong magnets. Now, it does come with these extra magnets so you can do stuff like this. Put it right on the back of your Steam Deck or your Nintendo Switch and your Asus ROG Ally X and save all your games right to the SSD. How dope is that? And it's not going to move around at all. Now, let me show you why this is so clutch for me. It's not just about transferring photos and videos and games and using it as an SSD. You can actually use this as a portable USB Type-C hub. So as you can see, I got power running into the Disk Pro. That's charging up my laptop. We got 2 USB-A's plugged in, and the Disk Pro is plugged in via USB Type-C. Now, this is perfect for the Galaxy Book and other laptops that don't have a lot of ports. So as you can see, I got a mouse plugged in on this side. So the mouse is connected. We got a phone charging up. Okay? And we got the PlayStation remote plugged in. So now I can just go over to gaming and check this out. Now I can play some Killer Instinct. Just like that. How dope is this? USB Type-C hub built in, and I can turn the fan on if I want. Keep everything nice and cool. Now here's another dope feature. Say you got a Nintendo Switch. Okay, maybe you got the Asus ROG Ally X, or you got a Steam Deck. Now you can use the HDMI and connect it right to a monitor. So if you look closely, you see I'm running power right to the Disk Pro. I got it magnetized to the back, HDMI, and now I'm gaming. Hold on, let me get a win, y'all. Look at that. Gaming right from the Steam Deck. Now watch this. If I unplug it, right back on the Steam Deck. Plug it back in. That's going to transfer right back over to the big screen. You see I'm gaming right now? Give it a second. That's going to pop back up on the monitor. There it is. Let me get him up out of there. Hell no. Look at that. How dope is that? Then when I'm done, all I gotta do is unplug the HDMI. Okay, unplug the power, and look how it sticks in the back, just like that. This is pretty sick. Now this is also perfect for if you got a laptop or a tablet that doesn't have HDMI. So as you can see, I got the Disk Pro plugged in. We're running power to the Disk Pro, HDMI, right to the tablet, right to the big screen. So now, let's go to YouTube, watch one of my videos. And there it is. HDMI on deck. How dope is that? The Disk Pro. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the SHARGE Disk Pro a major go. This is the most versatile USB Type-C hub and SSD that I've used yet. Not to mention the best looking. Look how beautiful this is. Okay, MagSafe compatible. Slaps right on the back of your device. Built-in USB Type-C, fan, okay? Not to mention HDMI. This is insane, okay? This is totally insane. Trust me, worth every penny. Anyway, SHARGE Disk Pro, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Flossy, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up.
Captain, Enterprise out.
Energized.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facelook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.